and take it on the train with you.
As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. Animals in their own surroundings, and that includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are now approaching Conservation Station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. In order to create realistic characters and dynamic storylines, as our own Disney artists help you learn to sketch characters inspired by the very animals found here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Get your pencils ready, because here comes our animation artist now.
Oh, good afternoon. How's everybody doing out there today? Is everybody having fun? Yeah. It is so great to see everybody. Thank you all so much for your time. Thank you for being here. It's a small and mighty class. I love it. We are on the Jungle Book hours.
The animation experience takes place under the
But there is a wilderness explorer here.
Florida. So should you plant a flower that's supposed to be living in Arizona in Florida, or should you plant flowers that live in Florida?
She's huge.
Do you want to touch the goat or no? No? Okay.
Oh, okay, let's not touch the sound. Oh, is that why? I was thinking like, what are you Mom. Ben, do you want to touch the kid? Push a little faster. No.
the hearts of millions of viewers, inspiring a spirit of conservation and paving the road for the nature documentaries we see today. To the park today, or make your way back to wherever you call home. Remember, that legacy lives in you. And please, as you exit, go well. And remember, preserving the magic of nature begins with you. Asante.
On the railing. Once you board the train, please be narrow and slide all.
Sing it with us, everybody.